Hey guys, it's Jessie. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to learn the double crochet. So let's get started. So I have my chain already made. If you're not sure how to do that, check out one of my previous videos on how to slip knot and chain stitch. And for the double crochet, we are going to want to go into the third loop from the hook, third chain. There's the first one, the second one, and the third one. And the first thing we're going to want to do is yarn over, and then we'll put our hook right into that chain, yarn over again, and pull through. We're now going to have 3 loops on our hook. So you will yarn over again and pull through only 2 of those loops, yarn over and pull through 2 more, and that is our first double crochet. So we'll do another one in the next stitch here, next chain. Yarn over, put our hook through, yarn over and pull through. We have our 3 loops. We'll yarn over again, pull through only 2 of those loops, yarn over and pull through 2 more. We have our second one. Let's give it another try. Yarn over, put our hook through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through only 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 more. So you can go all the way to the end of your row. So we now have our first row of double crochets. In order to move to the next row, we are going to chain 2 at the end here. 1, 2. We're then going to turn our work. We're now going to go into the first little space down here. These 2 loops here are our turning chain. So we'll go right into this space. First, we're going to yarn over and then put our hook through there. Yarn over again, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2 more. Let's do that again. So first yarn over, put our hook through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through only 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 more. And you'll do that all the way to the end of your row again. And that is how you do the double crochet. Great job, guys. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.